Good morning everyone, this is Vlogmas Day 12. If you're still watching this video, thank you very much. Thank you so much for watching. So today I did my workout early because Nora is still sleeping, and today I'm gonna redo my Portuguese egg tart puff pastry because I was not satisfied the one that I made last night, so I'm gonna redo that. And we have a coming trip. We are going to Cebu next week. The plan is we're going there together with Nora, but I don't think she can come in this trip because she's still coughing and I don't want to risk her health from traveling. I don't want her to get sick again. So what's gonna happen is if she can come with us, we will not do the snow world. We will not do those activities at all because I want to do those things with her. I want to experience things with her. I want to do things with her. She can't do it. So that's that. And that's really fine. So now let's get this day started.
Let's have some wine. Today we try wine from Spain, Tempranillo. Is this a cork?
Nope.
Might be.
I think I have a cork.
First we insert the cork.
Ooh, will that explode? No, right?
Explode? No, that's champagne.
Oh yeah. Hard.
This wine, the way real wine people do, is they smell the cork. Tell me how does that smell to you?
Smells like 1987. Very old.
Good nose.
No, it's like 2017 or something.
Let's see the year.
Yeah, it should be. There should be a year.
Yeah, so weird. It was made just last week. Let's just do a little bit to try it. Smell it, swish it around. Cheers.
Oh.
Ooh. I don't know if that's my favorite wine.
I think this wine has been exposed to sun. When the alcohol is exposed to sun, it gets like sour.
but I'm so frustrated. Hello to my loneliness. I guess that ignorance is bliss. Take me back to before I knew. Rewind, take it out of cue. Innocence can be a young man's game. Signed up for the hall of shame. I wish I knew how much I miss not knowing that we're all screwed when we play our roles and ignore the problems. I like to be way more patient. Stay up, I feel so outdated. How can we look the other way? Sun is out, but the sky is gray. What would happen if I took a chance? It's always hard at first glance. I don't wanna, but I know I gotta do it. The truth is hard to swallow. I think I'll chew it. I wish I knew how much I miss not knowing that we're all screwed when we play our roles and ignore the problems. I wish I knew how much I miss not knowing that we're all screwed when we play our roles and ignore the problems. I wish I knew.
Let's see how crispy. You like it, babe?
I do.
It's yummy?
Yeah.
Rate it 1 to 10.
9.5. No, they're really good.
You're so generous.
They're really good.
Good that you like it because I made efforts. Thank you for watching. Goodbye to this Vlogmas Day 12.
Bye,